Welcome everyone to Introduction to Surveying. Surveying is an important branch of civil engineering. Surveying is the art of determining the relative position of point on, above, or beneath the surface of Earth by means of direct or indirect measurements of distance, direction, and elevation. It also includes the arts of establishing points by predetermined angular and linear measurements. This is what we're going to go through now is the rise and fall method. Rise and fall method is a method of calculation of reduced level or elevation of points from the staff readings observed in the field. The difference of elevation between two consecutive points is determined by comparing each point after the first with that immediately preceding it. We can see from this what we're going to go through is the rise fall method, and we're going to measure the rise and the fall between the ABM and the station 5. Of course, we can see this is not direct, but it had station 1, 2, 3, 4 in between. And this is the reason how we're going to implement the rise and fall method. How? Of course, you can see this for the easy understanding what is the back side and what is the fore side. So we can see the instrument is in between, and the after will be the foresight and the before will be the backside. Are you ready for the rise and fall method calculation? How to find the reduced level? Rise or fall depends on the previous reading minus the current reading. When the difference is positive, it means a rise. In other way, if the difference is negative, it represents a fall. So, reduced level of any point is equivalent to reduced level of preceding point plus rise or minus the fall. Check. Important to take note. To make sure that your calculation is correct, you must always check on this equation. How? Sum of the backside minus sum of the foresight equivalent with the sum of the rise minus the sum of the fall and equivalent to the last of the reduced level minus the first reduced level. Let's go through this exercise together so that we can have a better understanding on the rise and fall method. We can see there's a 6 station in this exercise. Of course, the first will be the benchmark. So we can get to know that reduced level at the benchmark is 200 meter. So how about for the reduced level for the station 2, 4, and the 6? And of course, we need to get all the information like backside, front side, rise, and fall to make sure that with the information we're able to come up with a reduced level. Let's see how we can do the solution now. To make your life easier, I will suggest you to complete the reduced level before we go for the rest. So, the step 1, we will go through the reduced level for the second station. How? Do you still remember what if the negative? It means fall. So, you get to know fall is a negative. You are using the station 1 reduced level to minus the fall. And you will get the answer for the reduced level in the station 2. Subsequently, for the station 4, yes, it rise in the station 4. So you are using the station 3 reduced level plus the rise in the station 4. And the last, the station, I believe now you know how to do it. We use the 5th station reduced level to minus the fall in the 6th station. Well done, everyone. So now we're going to do the rise and the fall and also the BSIS and the FS. Do you still remember what is the formula? If positive is a rise, if negative is a fall. So we get to know 198.11 to 198.58 is an increase. So is a rise. How we get it? You are using the 3rd station reduced level minus the 2nd station reduced level and you will get a rise. Same goes to the fall for the 5th station. For the backside and the foresight, how you can get it? Do you still remember how to get the rise and the fall? This is how you think about the formula and apply in the BS, IS, and FS. So for the 5th step, we can get to know that you need to find the FS for the 3rd station. So how you get it? Yes, of course, the rise of the 3rd station is different from the preceding point, which is the 2nd station, to the 3rd station. So now you are using the IS in the 2nd station to minus the rise so that you can get an answer for the FS. How about for the BS? Yes, BS is using the foresight to plus the rise so that you can get the BS for the third station. Subsequently, for the fall and the IS, I believe now you get to know how to use it. But don't forget, there's one last step that you need to remember is the sum. Even though you are doing horizontal calculation, but sum is a very important thing to remember in the rise and fall method. So now we sum up all the BS, FS, rise, fall to get the check in the next station. Check! Remember again, what is the formula? Now you are using all the equation to apply this. Do you get the right answer? Do you get the negative 3.04 for the equation? If you get it, congratulations. You do a good job and I believe you are master the rise and fall method now. To know more about real estate information or the knowledge, do subscribe my YouTube channel, CY Classroom, and I will keep up update the channel and let you all know more about the knowledge in real estate. Of course, if you have any question, do drop in a comment so that I will take note and share more information with you in the next section. Thank you. Have a nice day.